Welcome to Nezo, where smart design meets data-driven decisions. Start by downloading the Nezo installer for Revit from our tutorials and downloads page via our website. Once downloaded, go ahead and open up the installation file. Simply press Install. And then finish. There you have it. The installation for Nezo is complete. To import materials into Revit, head to the app under the Add-ins toolbar. We will start by mapping a wall and then a roof system. Find your material, then select Import. Here we have chosen Timber Weatherboard. You will see a pop-up notification stating Material Created. We will then go ahead and import that roof system material. This type of material has all the elements within the square metre, like the roof cladding, trusses, insulation, and even a ceiling lining. Be sure to read the descriptions of each material. To apply materials, select the object within Revit. Press Edit Type. Then edit again next to the parameter Structure. Select the 3 dots in the Material column. Simply swap out the default material for a new imported Nezo material. Hit OK and then apply an OK again. Next, we will apply the roofing system material. First, select the roof itself. Again, select Edit Type, then Edit, and then the material you would like to change. Search for your Nezo material, and then select OK, OK again, and then Apply. Now, let's sync these changes with Nezo. Open up the app and head to where your building variant is created. Select Link to Revit and Sync to Revit. Nezo will save that model against the building variant. It will also sync whatever is in the 3D view within Revit. And there you go! Your materials and model has been uploaded to Nezo. Let's now move on to mapping windows and doors within Revit. Start by finding your window and door materials and importing them. Once imported, head back over to Revit. For standard windows and doors, select the object. Then head to the Properties and under Materials and Finishes, select the material type for glass. Simply swap the default glass material to a Nezo one. For curtain walling, there's a few extra steps. Start by finding the families for the curtain walling material. I have selected the curtain panels. Then the next drop-down, System Panel, and then double-click the glazed material. Under Materials and Finishes, select the 3 dots, and then simply swap out the default for the Nezo material. Be sure to click OK and Apply for changes to take effect. If we head back to the app and select the building variant this model was linked to, and then sync the model again with Revit. Once refreshed, you will see our new window materials have now loaded. You can also access quick map materials directly in Nezo. No need to import anything, just sync your model and choose materials directly from the library. See more on how to do this in the project's tutorial. Now let's look into columns and beams. For this example, I am using a LVL material. Search the app for the type of material you require. In this case, LVL beams, which are under 0.2 cubic meters. Check the design software for the actual quantity amount. This is only applicable for structural timber. Once imported, select the timber column. Then, in the Properties window, under Materials and Finishes, you will see the material Wood. Click the 3 dots, and then simply swap out the default for the Nezo LVL material. This process works for all columns and beams. And that's it. All you have to do is resync your model and the data will flow.